So guys, hindi pala nakasaksak ng maayos yung mic kanina. So ngayon, ato guys, ulitin ko ha. When I started this vlog, it's around 7:04 a.m. This is at Shirley's Kitchen. Sorry po, paputol-putol ang aking internet. So when I started this vlog, it's around 7:04 a.m. This is at Shirley's Kitchen, J3, Kapati Compound. It's April 22, 2026, RP. RP is Republic of the Philippines. Yun. Date and time of my vlogs are based from the date and time here in the Philippines. And yeah, as I was saying kanina, napakakulit ko about it. So kasing masabi, yung chain of thought or trail of thought, whatever you wanna use sa dalawa, medyo napuputol-putol because paputol-putol yung internet. So, pasensya na po dun. So, yun. I guess I was able to say date, time, place, trail of thought. Yeah. So, yeah. Dito na tayo. Tomatoes. Bawang. Thank you, James, for telling me about the mic. Hindi pala nakasaksak ng mabuti kanina. Ito, white and violet onions. Binabalatan ko pa yung bawang, guys. Gigisa tayo ng oops. Ano ba yung mga ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ganyan. Yan, pero ganyan yung ginagawa ng mga nakikita ko sa internet eh. Yan. So yeah, I'm trying to eat healthy pa rin, even when I smoke a little bit. Cigarettes. Medyo nakaka-relax kasi. And I heard from a friend of mine, one of the best power forwards or centers sa PBA, na it's okay lang naman to smoke as long as nag-i-ensayo ka. I'm not sure if that's a good advice, pero it helps me think na it's okay to smoke a little bit and still go on with your passion for sports. Diba? So walang drugs. Drugs hindi maganda yan. Ano yan? Drugs are for losers only. Sorry. Sorry sa mga tatamaan. Though of course, yung iba na biktima lang siguro. Pero, yun nga, they were with the wrong set of friends lang. So, they have to be with good friends. Good influence, diba? Para makaiwas sa mga ganong klaseng bagay. Hindi ko magalaw yung phone, guys, kasi baka maputol ulit yung internet. So, ito, ginagawa ko ngayon. Yung bawang. I named this kitchen after my mom kasi wala, happy ako. Mahilig din magluto yun. Lasagna naman ang niluluto nun. Pero hindi pa ako makapagluto ng lasagna kasi kailangan ng oven doon. At saka hinahabol ko lang yung water. Actually, ito na lang water ko pang luto eh. Wala na tubig niyan. Yung mga 6 a.m., nawawala yung tubig dito. But, I make the most out of it pag may tubig. Hugas plato, luto, stuff like that. So ano unahin natin? Bawang. May cooking oil na dito guys. Pinainit ko na. To. Kanina napuputol yung internet pero pinapakita ko to. Galing to sa 7-Eleven OG Road. Yan. Yun ako bumibili pag madaling araw eh. Or any time of the day. Depende sa schedule. Liitan natin konti yung bawang guys. And I also think it's just right na Shirley's Kitchen to. Acknowledgement din dahil galing sa Papa Elben ko and Mama Shirley ko. Lahat ng shares ko dito and sa buong Kapati Properties. So Shirley's Kitchen to guys. Ng J3 Kapati ko pa. Where some cooking is done. Tomatoes. Guys, fruit. One of my favorite fruits, tomatoes. Oh, ilang gum. Yung top tinanggal ko. Wala naman langgam. Kaya, ito. Sana wag maputol yung internet. Yung onions guys, hindi ko alam kung anong mas healthy eh. Kung yung white or yung violet. So, I made sure na I have both para to have a healthy heart.